But we are seeing situations where, unfortunately, because we know parental alienation is a huge problem, whether we are successful or when we are successful, there'll still be pathogenic parenting, parental alienation.
Oh, yeah.
And what's happening in the courts right now, since there's no mandatory certification, nobody really understands a specific path to determine, okay, who's alienating, who's abusing, blah, 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 blah. We're seeing it used in the most horrible way possible, where abusers are telling the judge that the targeted parent is alienating their children from them, and we're seeing that the abusers are actually getting custody in that way. I know that's something, that message is something Jody Mueller puts out a lot, Diane Lyons, and it's something you need to be aware of, or not you specifically, Mark, but everybody listening.
No, I understand. Yeah.
They,
but it all
there's both ends of the spectrum, and the court will go either way to get their incentive money, and that's why we have pockets of people in the movement saying that parental alienation is junk science, when they're really not looking at the whole picture. That's the same thing as people saying, people that know it's real, saying these people are, flying monkeys. They're actually they're talking about the same stick. It's just either end of the stick.
Right.
The goal is the same, to get something mandatory, so psychologists and therapists and social workers know exactly what to look for, and they're not just guessing. Right now, they're just guessing. It depends on the judge, and not the law right now.
Yeah, but I think a jury can decide whether or not brainwashing or parental alienation is happening.
Yes.
That's the problem. You see, the psychologists have taken the place of juries. That's the problem.
It's a very good point. And I think, if there was somebody there to educate the jurors on what exactly it is, as well as a judge being there to kind of referee the whole situation, that's what I think a judge should be, a referee, somebody there as an anchor, to let the jurors know what's expected of them. And the attorneys, their only interest is in their client at that point. They're not focused on pleasing the judge anymore.
Yeah. Jurors also need to be aware of jury nullification and their rights as jurors, and that's often the case, that they're not informed, and the judge dictates to them what they can and can't do.
And that needs to stop.
Yeah.
There is the Freedom of Information Act. Jury nullification shouldn't exist.
No, jury nullification is a good thing. That means that the jury can decide not only on the facts of the case, but whether or not the law applies to the case today in this court under these circumstances.
Wait, I thought jury nullification was where information was not given to the jurors.
No, that's just lack of information for the juries.
Oh,
that's uninformed juries.
What is that? I'll bring it up here.
I mean, some people get arrested and put in jail for trying to hand out these pamphlets on jury, on your rights as a juror. I mean,
what I'm thinking about is motion in limine. That's what I'm thinking about.
Sorry, what?
Those are on the wheel of judiciary, and I got them confused.
What did you broke up there? What'd you say?
Motion in limine. That's when they can.
Right.
Right. That's what I got the two confused, because I've actually never heard of motion in limine before, and Jennifer Quinn has told us all about it. And
right, I heard that. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's to keep evidence out, I think.
Right. So the two people who murdered somebody, and Jennifer Wynn's son did not shoot anyone, but he was charged with first-degree murder. the lawyer for the two people who did shoot, who did murder the victim, jury nullification was used, motion in limine was used in a way, and the judge approved it. So they didn't have to be aware that these two people were gang members. That's what a motion in limine is.
Right.
And that's a violation of due process right there, a violation of the Freedom of Information Act. I mean,
Yeah,
if
it's
people...
keeping out exculpatory evidence.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, these are the kind of pamphlets people hand out. If you order anything from InfoWars, you get one of these. So I've got dozens of them because I order their stuff all the time. But it goes through your rights as a juror. It's got a handbook for jurors in it, plus the Constitution and Bill of Rights. It's a great little book. I can read some of that.